Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to express this quadratic expression, well, by collecting the like terms. Example, I see a p square, negative 2, and positive 2 over 3 p square. Well, this will give me negative 4 over 3p square. And this is just one of the best practice. If the coefficient is a fraction, and in this case an improper fraction, do leave the coefficient as improper fraction like this, and not in a mixed number. Okay, this is just a good practice. P positive 1p, and the next term negative 3. And so we have successfully simplified all the like terms in this quadratic expression. We are done. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.